To remove the Spectrum TV app from your Roku device, start on the Roku home screen where you can see various app icons. Using your Roku remote, navigate to the Spectrum TV app icon on the home screen. Press the star button on your Roku remote to open the options menu for the selected app. From the options menu that appears, select Remove Channel to begin the uninstall process. Confirm your selection by choosing Remove in the confirmation pop-up. This will uninstall the Spectrum TV app from your Roku device. Important notes: this process deletes the app from your Roku, but it does not cancel your Spectrum subscription. Your login credentials are not saved, so you'll need to re-authenticate if you reinstall the app. Removing the app can help resolve issues like crashes or errors. To reinstall the Spectrum TV app, start from the Roku home screen. Navigate to Streaming Channels using your remote. Once in Streaming Channels, select Search Channels. Type Spectrum TV into the search bar using the on-screen keyboard. Select the Spectrum TV app from the search results. Choose Add Channel to begin the installation. The app will download and install on your Roku. This may take a few moments. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Spectrum username and password. Ensure your Roku is connected to the internet during this process. If the app doesn't appear in the search results, try restarting your Roku by going to Settings, then System, Power, and Restart.